Let's sit comfortably or lie down. Your spine tall but relaxed. Your shoulders loosened. Your whole body melting into Mother Earth. You can even imagine you're by the water, the waves gently rolling by you. Recently, we had a solar eclipse on February 17th, and now we have a total lunar eclipse. During this event, Earth's shadow will fully cover the moon and give it a reddish tint. These eclipse periods are considered times of release and activation of deeper emotional and energetic processes. Start to breathe deeper, taking a slow inhale through the nose, a long, soft exhale through the mouth. You can even let out a sigh, relaxing the nervous system. As you breathe in and out, if it feels good, you can imagine a light in your navel, called the Lower Dantian in Chinese medicine. Start to imagine the sky during the eclipse, the moon slowly entering shadow, and darkness feeling like something sacred. Winter darkness, ocean depth, womb energy. You are safe in the dark here. The kidney energy system is on duty in this period. That includes the bladder, the adrenals, the spine, the ears, the brain, the bones. Start to bring your awareness to your lower back, the kidney area. In Qigong, they are known as the roots of life. They hold your original energy. They also hold your courage. Now, by the waves and the water, start to imagine a deep, dark blue light, midnight blue, flowing into your lower back. As you inhale, this dark blue light comes within you. As you exhale, it becomes warmer. Breathing slowly with longer exhales, feeling the flow of the deep dark blue light moving with the water in you. If any fear has been resurfacing in your life, uncertainty, old memories, imagine allowing that fear to dissolve in the blue light. Feel gratitude for this healing elixir within you. Let the light and the water mingle. The kidneys do not reject fear. They transform it into wisdom. See any fears dissolving into the light, dispersing into the ocean around you. Allow a gentle smile, feeling in its place a quiet strength begin to grow as you feel gratitude for this healing energy. Gratitude can replace any fear in your heart. Now visualize the eclipse moon above you, reddish, shadowed, and powerful. Inhale its light. Exhale, imagine anything heavy leaving your body into the earth. And as you inhale, draw up calm, steady blue water from the earth into your kidney system, your spine, your bladder, your brain. Inhale, restore your vitality. Exhale, release any worries. Release and restore deeply. What has come up for you in this eclipse period needed to be faced. Transmute the fear into safety. Even say to yourself, I am safe. I am in flow here. Now feel this dark blue light become brighter, glowing throughout your whole body. This time can teach us stillness. Water can teach us adaptability. Feel like your inner waters are becoming steady and fears are transforming into wisdom here. Stay here for a few deep breaths. Feel the connection with the eclipse energy and the moon. And allow yourself to be open to what this fire horse year can bring. And allow yourself to focus back on that light in your navel. And allow yourself to imagine tucking it into your body like an elixir as you move forward. Thank your kidney system. Thank the winter. And thank the rich darkness. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move forward knowing something has been released.